Oh, damn. What did you guys get?
Young coconut.
They got the one that. How do you like your coconut? Your coconut? Oh, like how do you like how it looks?
Yeah. We're all celebrating early. You're covering with different words.
Celebrating early birthday for my brother right there. They're eating masubis. They're eating masubis, eating chicken. I don't know what that is. Some coconuts. Put the tray somewhere else, nigga.
I'll eat all this.
And I'm about to show you my deliciousness, you guys.
You guys want to try it?
What is that?
It's a coconut dessert.
She's peeing. What do we got there?
Ooh, this beautiful, beautiful sight.
Oh.
Not you. Nah. Oh my God, look at all these stairs. It's like so magical. It looks like a fake paradise thing. Oh, there's an animal up there. I hear it. ¿De regreso? Oh, I was about to say, is Marvin or something. So beautiful. Look at this magical mountain here. I'm trying to cover the sunlight so y'all can see it. It's so pretty. Look at this mini lake. Or mini swamp thing. Isn't this just so magical? Oh, we made it. Oh, it's not that bad. Somebody's having a party. Let's go crash it. Okay. I'm already sweating. I'm not even going up. Yeah. That sun, it actually came out today. So nice. Now we're gonna try to find these fools. Going down the steps. Now we are walking in the sand. Hopefully none of it gets in my shoes. One thing you must know about me, I hate sand in my feet or in my shoes. Ugh. That's why I kind of wore high tops today. But I know they're still gonna get in my feet. Sand always finds its way in my shoe. Look, they're across the lake. This disgusting looking lake. They just threw something. Oh, there's actually, look, a lot of people here. Apparently this is like a common beach or something. Ooh, what is that up there? Somebody lives there probably. Or it's somebody's truck. Look at this beautiful rock. I learned this in geology, what it's called, but I forgot. It's called like rock fall or something. Whoa! It's hot. Sweating.
Did you find the porta potties?
Upstairs, yeah. Upstairs, I mean up there, yeah.
Well, it is upstairs.
Those are the stairs, it just came down.
You
But
could say upstairs because you gotta go up the stairs to go up there.
throw sand in the lake, Cynthia.
It smells like
That's not
pee.
no lake, nigga. That's a sewer.
That's probably where people pee because there's no bathrooms. Ew, no. That shit looks disgusting for people to bathe in.
Nigga, where would everyone go? Where's Carlos?
In the ocean.
Down
Let's
there
keep walking.
by the ocean.
On my date. Pride. 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 You getting your shoes yet?
Beaches.
I'm probably gonna take off my shoes because I don't want sand to get in my feet. Oh, it's so pretty. We could probably go to those rocks. down there. So fucking white people coming on the beach. Beach out. This is like cool beach, though. I think I have, but like a long time ago. Look, Carlos is right. Oh, I couldn't zoom in but he's right there. She's like, can we borrow your game? There's a spike ball.
Oh, isn't that supposed to be like fun?
I don't know. I'm just kidding. I don't even know what kind of game that is.
I've never seen anyone play it, but I heard it's fun.
Ah. Trying to land where people land. Oh my god, I already feel sand in my shoes. Fuck. I kind of want to get my feet wet. You want to get your feet wet?
Yeah. Is there enough time?
Yeah. Before the sun goes down and it gets cold. There he is, you guys. They're gonna have a romantic. Oh, never mind. I thought they were gonna hug. I thought you guys were gonna hug. Isn't that just so romantic? That little rock thingy. Okay. I will see you guys later. Maybe when I'm hot. On camera, they look so swollen.
Swole. Oh, wait. Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Totally. Apurate antes de que venga el sub. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Dude, what she's writing right now.
Can you even read it?
Yeah, subscribe. Kind of. Subscribe to my channel.
No.
Make that a little bigger. Ah! No! There's subscribe. Let's go to this little lake. Shit, I'm about to get wet, you guys. I do this for the subscribers. I'm doing this for the subscribers. I'm doing this for the subscribers! Oh! This
All
is like
four of you.
-3 degrees. Like this water is fucking crazy. No, not really. I'm doing this again for the subscribers.
Oh, that one is warm.
Fuck! Nigga, that shit's like -2 degrees. Why are you talking shit? I wants me to take a picture of this food. Man of the rock. Man of one rock. Fuck, I'm like sweating in my eye. Open that crack. He's traveling to a long lost world of rock. Oh, that one was warm. That one was not warm. Oh, shit. All right. Oh, I thought we were gonna sing at least a little bit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
That's hella creepy. That looks like Carlos or Danny is looking at me.
Dear Marbuno. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out.